In this Pushable review, I'm going to be showing you a software that they're claiming is making them $571 a day in ClickBank commissions. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Pushable, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing, just want to show you my bonus page. If you purchase this through my link, you're going to get all these bonuses listed right here. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says new Apple and Google tech for April 2022. New one-click app blasts 3.6 billion buyers, makes $571 a day. ClickBank commissions. They say we get paid $571 with this. You can build unlimited buyer lists, zero extra expenses, no fees, yada yada. So what is this? Well, essentially what this is a software that allows you to do what's called a push notification, which means that you can actually build a list and then send little notifications to people on their phones, on their desktops, in order so that you're going to get more traffic from it. It's actually a really good way of getting traffic. It's a good way of building a list, and it's a way that a lot of people use in order to get extra traffic. Now, they make a claim of making $571. They actually have other software in here for like doing affiliate marketing stuff. So that's where that comes from. So they use the traffic in order to drive traffic to their affiliate pages. So that's where those claims come from. But I don't want you to think that just because you start using a software like this, you're automatically going to start making $500 a day for paying. That's not going to happen. We know that, right? Please tell me that you know that, because that's just not going to happen. But it is a way of driving traffic, and you can use that traffic. I mean, you can send it to other things as well, but their method here is by doing affiliate marketing and using that traffic. So they say log in, launch an instant website that builds your list automatically, and then send unlimited broadcasts and follow-ups to your new list. The nice thing about this is you don't have to worry about like having an email list and then closing you down. You can do whatever you want. You can send as many blasts out as you want to that list. You can send the traffic to affiliate offers, which they show here, the different profits that they're getting from using this actual traffic. So they say here that they're tracking it with mail here, and then they're tracking this one here with push notifications. So they got a 14% conversion on the push notifications and a 6.9% conversion with just an email. So kind of an interesting way of comparing that. It's another traffic source, right? Here's some proof here. They've got 9,000 subscribers. Push subscribes for today, push subscribes for yesterday. So they're building their subscriber list up, which is what you're going to want to do. Everyone starts with zero, but you want to build that list up and then be able to send that traffic anywhere you want. Now, they've got some proof here of money that they've made and some notifications. Look, you see a push notification coming in here. Push notifications are huge. So you can actually see like these are the kind of notifications that you send. And again, you can send that traffic and do whatever you want. Whether here's 10 clicks from 75 push subscribers, 46 clicks from 195 push subscribers. The neat thing about this, and I've done push notifications too as well, is that you can get a lot of traffic from a small list. It's a pretty cool way of building a traffic source with this. So this is kind of neat. What's your income goal? How many push leads do you need to quit your job? This is kind of interesting. If one monthly subscriber is valued at $1, you need an annual of 35,000 to quit your job. You have decided to build subscribers worth $1 per month. That means that you need to generate less than 8 subscribers per day to quit your job. If you can do 8 subscribers per day, they say in the affiliate marketing niche, then you can essentially make that kind of income. And of course, it's going to go up here as well. It's kind of a neat little thing they have on the sales page. Anyways, that's the offer here. Let me scroll down through all this fun sales page stuff. If you purchase, you'll have access to the software and everything here that they have on the sales page. One thing I do want you to try though is move your mouse away on the sales page. A lot of times a discount code will pop up when you do that if you tried. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want to make sure you guys get the lowest prices. Please hit that like button if you like the fact that I try to find these discounts for you. I appreciate that. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back. I'll show you the backend area and the OTOs and discounts.
Do you want to build a list of hungry buyers with a new cutting-edge lead technology that's 10 times more powerful than email? This new list building technology gets up to 300% more opens than email, drives up to 1000% more clicks than email, uses messages that are 10 times faster to write than email, doesn't require an autoresponder, squeeze page, or lead magnet. And best of all, you can't be banned or booted off by anyone ever. Oh, and you can also add your email leads to this new list technology too. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this work? And how you can start building a buyer list without email today. So here goes. Hi, I'm Chris, and I've been marketing online since 2005. Since then, I've built email lists with millions of people. But I always felt like there was something missing, because email has some big problems. Tell me if this sounds familiar. As an email marketer, you need to worry about creating lead magnets, designing squeeze pages, spending thousands on autoresponders, the techie side of collecting leads, the hours it takes to write out emails, struggling to get opens and clicks, and worst of all, the constant fear that you might get banned by an autoresponder at any time and for any reason. So all your hard work evaporates in seconds in a cloud of smoke. Ugh. No wonder 95% of marketers know they should be list building, but less than 1% do it. So what's the solution? A brand new technology I just discovered called push notifications. Push is a game changer, but a few people even know it exists, and here's why. Now, you might have seen notifications on your phone. You know, those little pop-up messages you get. But did you know you can also send push notifications inside your web browser? In fact, thousands of savvy marketers are already doing it. That's because it plain works. And best of all, it's so easy to do. You simply add one line of code to your website, and when people click yes to sign up, they're subscribed in one click. And from then on, you can send unlimited free push notifications right to their browser instantly. Now, here's how these push messages look. Pretty cool, right? You can include a text headline and subheadline, plus 2 big images. These notifications really stand out. Just look at how they appear on Chrome, the biggest browser. They literally pop up and take half the screen, which is why we're getting results like this with push. Now, there are plenty of push notification services out there, but they aren't cheap, with many of them starting at $49 or even $97 per month. That's almost $600 to $1,200 a year just for the most basic plan. So we know push is the future, but how can the little guy compete and start building a profitable push list today and do it with affiliate marketing, digital products, e-commerce, blogging, SEO, social, video, local marketing, or list building? Well, today, the answer is here. Now here's how it works. Step 1. First, we create our embed code and we paste it onto our website. Now, whenever someone visits our website, they get an opt-in message. This. Anyone who clicks yes gets instantly subscribed to our list. And yes, this works on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. And yes, you can start building a push list from any website or blog your own. Or you can use my pre-created website templates. Simply copy your embed code, paste it into the website template, click download. Then upload your new design to your website, or use my Push Pages software to create an instant self-hosted website for the fastest setup. And that's it. You now have a pre-created website preloaded with your push code, ready to build leads on day 1. Step 2. Set up a follow-up sequence. Just like with my email autoresponder, you will want to welcome your new leads. And that's where the follow-up sequence comes in. Your messages are sent exactly 24 hours from when the customer subscribed, so they work with your subscriber's time zone for the best opens and clicks. Step 3. Broadcast. Now you're sending autoresponder messages to your new leads. It's time to send broadcast messages. Broadcast instantly, at any time, to any list. So, can you see how easy this is? It's the fastest way to collect buyer leads using the power of push. So you can build a list and send messages with a higher deliverability, higher opens, and more clicks than email. Can you see how new and different this technology is? Building a list has never been this exciting. So, are you ready to take your list building to the next level? Click on the button to get started. You'll then be taken to the order page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. Nothing could be simpler. Now is your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right away so you can start building your list using this new technology. Okay, this video is ending now, so sign up. I guess I'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so we are back. This is the back end area here where you have access to all your different bonuses, your softwares. Everything is all inside of here for you to access and set up with tutorials and everything for you to get started with. Now, there are multiple OTOs. The first one here is an unlimited version of this. You can build like an unlimited list. What you want to do, move your mouse away and a $20 discount code will pop up. You bring that price down from 47 to 27. Again, I make less as an affiliate, so please hit that like button. I really appreciate that. Okay, next one here is it says want us to set up Pushable for you so you can relax and start building your buyers list. So if you want them to set it up for you, you can. Now this gives you a $50 discount if you move your mouse away, brings that price down to 47. Next one here is how would you like to earn 100% with done for you campaign software that made us $543,000. So again, move your mouse away, you can get a $30 discount, bring the price down to 37. Next one here, how would you like us to do all the hard work and done for you? So this is a done for you version. Move your mouse away, you can get a $100 discount, bring the price down to 97. And looks like the last one here is you can get 37 of their best products. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs, of course, are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Pushable and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, as always, the marketing is really hypey on this, $571 a day. That's a big number. They might make that kind of money, but don't think that just because you have a software that drives traffic that you're going to automatically start making that kind of money. That just won't happen. Just realize that. What do I like about this? Push notifications are technology that works. I personally use them myself. If you want to build a traffic list and you want to have limitless traffic for years to come, then definitely check this. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Pushable, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.